Hi, my name's Dan and I'm a young carers mental health practitioner at Cheshire Young Carers, and my role is to support children and young people with their mental and emotional health. At the minute we live in quite strange times. There's lots of changes happening in our lives since the lockdown has started, and our daily routine have changed greatly as well. At the moment we may not be seeing and speaking with our friends or family in the same way that we used to. Some of us are still in school or work, some of us are not in school or work, but either way there's lots of changes and challenges for us all. Taking care of ourselves is always important, but it can feel difficult to do this in the middle of a pandemic, so we're going to go over a couple of tips to help look after yourself during this crisis. First of all, routine. Whilst for some of us it may have felt quite good to relax for a few days by not having to go to school or work, after a while this lack of routine can have a really big impact on our mood. And because of this, it's really important to have new routines in place. Perhaps you could try replacing the time that you would normally be travelling to school with watching TV or reading a book or taking time for self-care. A useful tool for developing a new routine is by setting reminders or alarms on your phone or clock. That way, if you forget, you can have something to prompt you. All of these changes can bring up lots of difficult feelings. These can be feelings of sadness, feeling scared, alone, worried, and lots more. And it's important to know that all of these feelings are perfectly normal to have. With everything that's happening now, it is more important than ever to be talking to the people that we trust. This can be people in our lives, such as friends and family, support workers, or even talking to our pets. It's quite easy to feel that you're alone right now. At the same time, it's important to remember that there are people there for you and we are in this together. There are different organisations that can give you a space to talk, such as the workers at Cheshire Young Carers, at Childline, The Mix, Couth, and many more. The way we see things can have a massive impact on our mood, and especially when there's lots of difficult and upsetting news like there is right now. Remember that right now individuals, organisations and humanity in general are pulling together in ways they hadn't before, working around the clock to find solutions to this virus. We also have more time now to focus on doing the things that we enjoy, spending time with people that we live with, reconnecting to our friends and families in different ways, trying out new hobbies and even living life at a slower pace. I hope some of these tips have been useful, and don't forget to check out our Wellness Wednesday posts on our social media for more tips. Remember that this too shall pass. Take care and stay safe.